Wait, before you scroll, I want you to pause for just a few seconds, because this might be the very message your heart was waiting to hear tonight. My child, while you rest tonight, I am working. I see the pain you tried to hide all day. I know the worries that followed you into the night, the ones that make it hard to sleep peacefully. But listen carefully. You don't need to fix everything before morning. You don't have to fight every battle on your own. As you lay your head down tonight, I am already healing. What's been hurting you? Every tear you've shed, I've counted. Every silent prayer you whispered, I've heard. Even when you thought I was silent, I was moving things in your favor. Your body, your heart, and your spirit. I am restoring them. Tonight, my peace is surrounding you. My angels are standing guard around your bed. You are not alone in this darkness. My light is covering you. I'm removing the weight you've been carrying. I'm replacing your anxiety with calmness, your fear with faith. You will wake up with renewed strength. You will rise with a peaceful heart and a clear mind. What was broken will begin to mend. What was lost will be found again. My child, don't worry about tomorrow. I'm already there. Just rest in my presence tonight. Because even while you sleep, I am healing you. I am restoring you. I'm making all things new. Now close your eyes and breathe. Let go of the fear. Let my peace fill your heart. This is your moment of healing. And by the time you open your eyes tomorrow, you'll know that I was with you all along.